Hi guys, this is Dawn with Furtastic Friends, and I'm just gonna do a quick video here. My lawn guy finally came and did my yard, so I was finally able to put up the new window bird feeder. I'm being careful here because I don't want to fall again. But the new feeder is up on the window, and it's got bird seed in it, and I filled up the little bird bath that's right in front of it, so they've got fresh water. But let me also show you how my hydrangeas are doing after the winter. They are doing fabulous because I covered them up really well with mulch to insulate them, and then I uncovered them, and they are just taking off. And then this one down here is really growing. Look at how big that one is. So I'm so happy that they survived the first winter in the ground. So they are doing really well. Very, very well. And I just gave them a little bit of water, and it's time for me to give them a little bit of fertilizer because they haven't had any since last year. But let's see if the birds will come to the bird feeder. I've taken the screen out of the window because that was the only way I could put the bird feeder up. And, of course, it'll be easier for us to see the critters. I have two big crepe myrtles in my front yard, and the birds love to congregate in these two trees. They haven't gotten their blooms yet, but they've gotten their leaves back. But they'll be full of blooms soon. So there you go, guys. Oh, and I had to move my garden flag over here because every time the wind blew and the flag just went flying up and back and forth, it set off my doorbell cam. So I have it sitting here all nice and pretty, letting everyone know that cats are spoiled here. So it actually is it's actually nice in this little flower bed right here that doesn't have any decoration. So now it sits here all pretty, letting everybody know that cats are spoiled at this house. Okay, guys, that's it. Just wanted to let you know, and I just filled up the water and food bowls too for all my cute little strays. And I need to go sit down because I'm starting to feel really nauseous again. But guys, hopefully, say maybe either today or in the next couple of days, we will get some footage of some critters on the front bird feeder. So keep your fingers crossed, and we will get to see some cute little critters on this feeder here. I know the cats are excited about what they're going to see because they love this window just as much as they love the other one. Okay, guys. Love, hugs, and kitty kisses. We'll see you soon.